Hello everyone, welcome back here. So in our today's VBA topic, I want to discuss how to reverse back the string, which is given on a particular cell, but it is given in a reverse order. So how to correct the order? Since CHINA means it is given here in reverse order and on a one single click, how to correct it. This we will learn in this particular tutorial. So I have created one example here, and since you can see this is China, this is India, this is Russia, and this is France. This is written in reverse order, and I want to, it means I want my output like this. So in order to do this, what I will do, I will go to developer tab. I will insert one module. I will rename it as str reverse, and then I will start writing my code. So I am saying reverse string. So in order to do this, I will first of all need to declare some of the variables. So I'm saying dim I as integer, dim xval as string. Then I'm saying ws dim ws as worksheet. First of all, I will define this worksheet. So set wi sheets index. My current sheet, the name of the sheet is index. Then I will define one last row in order to make my code dynamic, so that today I only have 5 entries here. But if there are 50,000 entries, then this code will work on those 50,000 entries as well. So I'm saying last row equals to wsi dot cells rows dot count comma 1, because this comma why I have written comma 1 here is um, I have my data on column 1, means a column. That is why I have written 1 here. Dot and Excel up dot row. So it will store the last row into it. Now I will need to initiate my loop. So I'm saying for I equals to 2 to last row, because data is starting from row number second. Then I will define this particular variable. So I will put it here and I will say wsi dot cells I comma 1. So the value which is there on this cell will be stored in this particular variable. Now I want my output on second column, which is B. So I will say I comma 2 dot value. What should be the value on B column? So I will use one property which is VBA based property, which is str reverse. And within this, I will say this is xval. I will pass on this particular variable here. Now next I. So let me check if we are getting the correct output or not. So first of all, if I go step by step, so I want to check what value is getting stored in this xval. So if I put my yeah, so this is China, which is there in reverse order. So if this loop will go, it is correcting it as China. Again, it will go up, and at this point in time, this is India. So, and now ends up. Means whenever you face such kind of problem, so you can use such kind of methodology. So this is all about today's video, guys. I hope you have found this video useful, and if it is really so, then this is my heartiest request you to please subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care and Jai Hind.